Welcome back to another video where we're going to be taking a look at this huge Nerf sniper. Should be a lot of fun. First things first that you'll notice is there's cardboard strapped onto this. This is a handmade sniper rifle, bear in mind. But down the scope, isn't that bad. It's obviously a bit blurry for you lot, but if I can actually get in. Right. Obviously there's light through you there. Can't see it well. But really, I look through. It's actually not bad. So yeah, onwards. Let's go on to a firing test. Now on to the firing test. What you need to do for firing is, often you will need to sort of aim the barrel in the direction you want to go in order to fire. So if I load it. Okay, so ideally this would be a one-shot weapon for like one-shot kill only. Let's have a test. Not bad. Had for the first try. Try again. Aim barrel. Fire. Again. Going around this far, and I shot from over there. Pretty good. Now, the accuracy test. Apologies for like you can't see the sniper, but the room's too big, which is a good thing. Oh god, where? It's down there. Range test. Here we go. Down. Damn, I missed. It's either my aim or it's this gun. Yeah, it's probably just my terrible aim. 20, not bad. Apologies it's dark, but my overall conclusion for this blaster, the pros of it would probably have to be good for one shot. It's actually really accurate because my friend James actually, he landed a headshot right dead in the centre of someone's forehead. Sadly I don't have any footage to show you for proof, but this is just out of my word. So the pros about it, it's good for one shots, it's fairly accurate actually, as I said, the one shot kill thing with James. But yeah, the cons about it is if you try to shoot a target like I was on the thing, it's not accurate, or it might just be my aim. Another con is also sometimes it may be a bit, well, hard to adjust the barrel, because you see if this one you need to sort of like adjust the barrel, so then like when you're holding it you sort of like tilt the barrel upwards. It's because the tape's always slouching, but you often get that with these sort of things. But anyways, that'll probably have to do it for this video, right? Apologies that's dark, but hey, I can't really do anything about it. I mean, I could turn the flash on, but then that uses more phone storage and I don't have much left. So this is Mega. Well, not Mega. See you for another video, I guess. Bye.